Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sembly Pro, unlock advanced meeting insights step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Sembly Pro in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you want the system to remember your credentials, check the Remember Me box. After filling in the required information, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your request. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Sembly Pro dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface to navigate easily. Explore the various options to unlock advanced meeting insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.